everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Today I thought that I should share my skincare routine and how do I remove my tan because of the lockdown and everything is opening up. Every store is opening up only 10 to 7, so we don't have that option that we can go as per our convenience. So धूप में ही जाना पड़ रहा है सबको बाहर. So that's why I thought this is the best time to share, and this remedy is going to work 100%, and you can see the quickest result. And this remedy will going to help you with your blemishes, with your wrinkles, with your dark spots, with acne scars, everything. I got you covered with everything with this. Okay, so let's start. How to do it I'll show you, and I'll show you the ingredients also. Plus I'm going to share my skincare essentials and skincare routine also. So stay tuned for that if you want to know how I remove my tan.
Let's check on the ingredients first. All you need for this is ripe papaya, lemon and honey. Mash the papaya into a fine paste and add 3 to 4 drops of lemon in it. Now divide it into 2 parts. After that, mix half a teaspoon of honey in one part and keep it aside. Now let's just get ready. I have cleaned my face. Now I am massaging my face using the papaya pulp mixed with lemon with upward and gentle strokes. What this will do is, the enzyme pepin along with the alpha hydroxy acid acts as a powerful exfoliator and dissolves inactive proteins and dead skin cells. So the mask, which I will apply later on, can work to the full extent. Nowadays chemical exfoliator is a thing, so here I am with the natural chemical exfoliator, which is not going to react on your skin, which is not going to cause any harm whatsoever. Follow the strokes which I am showing you here. Now what it will do, it will remove fine lines, scarring and the marks from your face. So massaging will ensure all dead skin and dirt is removed from the face, and when I will apply the mask, it will work effectively. Also the beta carotene enzymes and the photochemicals present in the papaya will help promote brightness. This will in turn can make your skin brighter, softer and glowier, including my neck also. Now wiping off the excess and applying the rest of the paste on my face, which I have prepared earlier, and apply it all over evenly on my face. And after that I am going to wait for 10 minutes so that it gets dry, and after that I will wash off my face with the normal tap water. Now I'll pat my face dry, and then let's start with the skincare.
Firstly, I want to share what face wash do I use. So I use this face wash. This was recommended to me by my dermat, and I'm using it since like 2-3 years now, and it works fine for me, and it is not expensive also. It is an affordable one. So next, what I use for toner. For toner, I use Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner, and this toner is amazing. I mean, your skin will like drench with hydration and water, literally. This toner is just amazing. I already have finished one bottle, and this is my second bottle, literally. This is my second bottle. So after that I use serum. Include, if you are not using serum, you are doing crime to your skin, literally. Include serum in your skincare routine, and for startup just include vitamin C serum. I have used plenty of serums, like to high-end one and affordable one, but this one works best for me. I have finished one bottle already, and this is my second bottle, and I have a backup also, new one packed. So you can see how much I love this serum. This serum, I don't know, this serum makes my skin so bright, and it cleared my blemishes, it evened out my skin tone, and it just gives me that glow. So you need to get this serum. If I say one product that you should get from this, ये ले लीजिए, सबसे best है. From my first video you already know what moisturizer do I use. So for moisturizer, this is the best moisturizer I can suggest you. I'm just using this for years now, years and years now. I kept trying new moisturizers, like from high-end, from drugstore, everything, but nothing works better than this. I just always go back to this. I mean, this works best, and this is a affordable one also. I mean, you don't have to spend so much money for this. I mean, just okay, 1 minute, let me show you. I have tried Clinique also. I mean, I gave it so many tries. I mean, I don't know, something in this doesn't suit my skin. I just get that small tiny bumps, so I stopped using it, and this is just useless for me now. So, and this one is from Believe, and this works fine for me, but not better than Cetaphil. And this is a Clinique Moisture Surge, which again staple product, raved all over the internet, but I just prefer this over all these three. Literally, that's it. That's the reality. So that is my moisturizer, staple moisturizer, which I kept going back to, and which never reacts. I mean, whenever I feel my skin is not doing well, or my skin is lack of moisture or glow, or my skin is irritated, I just take plenty amount of this and just apply it like a mask, and just my skin just calms down so nicely. I can't tell you. So this is my staple product, Holy Grail moisturizer. And most important thing in the day, sunscreen. Please guys, use sunscreen. Don't skip on sunscreen. Sunscreen is so essential. It prevents from tanning, it prevents from aging, it prevents from wrinkles, from free radicals. So use sunscreen. Just, this is so staple product, and the one which I use is Sunblock OC. This one is again recommended to me by my dermat, and I'm using this from 2 to 3 years now. That works absolutely fine for me. So yeah, this. And for lips, I just use simple Vaseline. This works fine for me, nothing fancy. So yeah, that was my skincare essentials, and that was my skincare routine. And whatever product I'm trying to show you in this video, don't buy blindly. Just research about them, figure out what's going to suit you, what is going to suit your skin, then only buy that product. And please do a patch test first before trying anything. I am not a dermat, I am not a skincare expert, and the whole DIYs and products which I am showing you, that works for me, works best for me, and I discovered them over a period of time, not in one day. I mean, it took time to develop a skincare routine. So just first of all, try to find products which is not going to cause you any breakouts or any skin irritation. And please listen to your skin. Yes, our skin speaks to us. Whenever our skin is irritated and whenever any product is reacting to your skin tells you immediately. Just listen to your skin, okay? Listen to your body. what suits your skin, that just use that product. That's it. And see, like this, I have spent 4,000 bucks on this, and it is useless for me right now. I don't use it anymore. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family, and see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.